is Andrew Paderes. I am the head chef of the Gramercy. Today I'm going to prepare for you a very healthy dish. It's called Pan-Seared Tuna. It's going to be served with sauteed cos lettuce, with some mango in it, and a very simple teriyaki sauce. We're going to start off with preparing the teriyaki sauce. So we need to start with a hot pan. Just a tablespoon of corn oil, the shallots, just season it and sweat it out, and then we add in our chopped garlic, just a teaspoon, and now the most important ingredient of the sauce is the ginger. You don't need to brown the aromatics, you just need to sweat it out to release its natural oil. Then you can add in your anise, star anise. And then afterwards, the soya sauce. Like 3 tablespoons of soya sauce and some nice chicken stock. And then we just have to simmer it. So now we're going to go to the main thing, which is the tuna. About 180-200 grams, it's enough. So it's going to be seared only, meaning we're going to cook the outer side. We're not going to cook through, but it depends on you guys if you want to cook it all the way through. So we start off with seasoning the tuna with salt. Just all the way. And then I have here freshly grated lemon zest and orange zest as well. Some green chopped parsley to make it nice and vibrant. And some freshly cracked pepper. And then we're just gonna roll the tuna from here. And then you need to start with a hot pan as well. A little bit of oil. Okay. Now you can hear the sizzle. So a good 1 minute on each side. And then just carefully lift it to get to the other side. Now, if you wish to cook it through, you can finish it off in an oven for about 2-3 minutes, just to give it a little bit more doneness. But it's up to your liking. Now we're gonna do the garnish. We start off with our peppers, mixed peppers, and then I will add a little bit of olive oil. Fresh olive. And then the mango. And then this is the best part, the cos lettuce. This is very inexpensive. Yeah? Just keep it there. Hang it there. Let it sizzle. Season with a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna put a little touch of sesame oil, just to give it the little Asian touch. And a dash of pepper. And then we set it aside. It's done. Now we go to the sauce. We continue simmering, and then we can add tablespoon of sugar. You want it a little bit of runny with a little bit of body. Put a little bit of butter to give it the nice glistening effect. Okay. Now we're gonna start with our. Just put a good amount on the middle. Okay, there's so many ways in cutting tuna. Okay, but for this, we're just gonna cut this like 5 pieces. Okay, we're gonna start from here. And then we're just gonna and now the sauce. Just a little touch here on the top. And then swirl it around. Then just add some fresh coriander. As I've said, it's a very healthy dish. One tip that I could give you guys is, number one, use or buy the freshest tuna as possible. I hope you guys enjoy the dish. It's a very easy dish. Anyone can do this at home. Thank you.